Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the evaporator drip pan in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a Torx 30 screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new evaporator drip pan. This evaporator drip pan is mounted under the fridge on the right side. It collects and holds condensation water that drips down from the evaporator during the defrost cycle. Then the water evaporates because of the heat that comes from the condenser and the compressor. If there's a water under the fridge, check and replace the evaporator drip pan if needed. Alright, so now we are facing a little bit unusual task. To get to the part, we need to tilt the fridge that way to the left if you're looking straight into the fridge. Probably about 35 degrees, 30 to 35 degrees. So it's very important when you're going to tilt this fridge to the left. Don't do it by yourself. Have someone to help you and use this person as the security guard to make sure the fridge is not going to slip under. And the floor should be better than just a tile, unless you will put something to jam the fridge. Also, I would really recommend you to empty it out. First of all, it would be easier, and the second, you're going to save your food. So it just tips like that. Probably about that far. Make sure it's sitting on the solid surface and it's not going to go anywhere. So this is the drip pan we are working on, and we need to take 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 1/4-inch screws, and then we're going to take out the 2 Torx 30 screws so we can drop down the platform. I'm going to start with the 1/4-inch screws. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, I'm going to take them out. Alright, so this is our 1/4-inch screws, and next I'm going to take out this 2 Torx 30. You can use a Torx 30 or Torx 35. Alright, so I forgot to mention that before we move it out, please make sure it's empty, otherwise you're going to take another pleasant shower. This is the old evaporator drip pan next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so this is our new drip pan which goes inside. We've got the drain tube right there. It's approximately facing this area. So make sure that when we're going to slide it in, that the tube is right above this area. It's not bent. Alright, I'm going to start sliding it in. Alright, so that locks into this channel here. I'm going to press it in here and bring it forward. So I'm going to match the holes, and I'm going to secure it with the 1/4-inch screws. As you can see, I'm using the 1/4-inch nut driver. And I'm going to slide this plastic angle here, so it will lock the front of the drip pan, and I'm going to secure it with the last 1/4-inch screw. And now we're going to push up this platform and secure it with a couple of Torx 30 screws. I'm using the Torx 30 screwdriver. Alright, and now we need to put the fridge down. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.